naans, and they have all different sorts. They've got the plastic round one with sesame seed. I don't even know what these are, like banana loaf bread?
From everywhere people comes here. Who are basically Muslims, most people comes here.
Which country you from?
Iraq.
I'm from Arabic.
Arabic.
Ethnic neighborhood. It's all over the place in the world. We've introduced Little Africa in Guangzhou, but there's also a Muslim community in Xiaobei. There are shops for the Muslims, and of course, halal grocery stores.
Is it this one? This is for my dad.
Islam in Guangzhou arrived through trading in the 7th century during the Tang Dynasty. Near Xiaobei, there is a mosque that holds the tomb of a highly revered Muslim sage. This is why you can see restaurants and stores designed for the Muslims.
This is called New Bandina Restaurant. Pakistan, Indian, Africa, Arabic, Chinese halal food.
Hiro and I visited a well-known halal restaurant on the main street of Xiaobei.
It's so heavy.
It should be so hot.
It's hot. It's pretty hot, but it's heavy.
We ordered an Arabic cuisine called Lamb Mandi.
I just eat it like this.
This was a challenge for me to try eating with my hand. How did it taste like? You can see it from my face.
I apologize for my limitation in expressing how good the meal is. This is amazingly good.
Comes the rice with this meat.
Arabic food is also Hiro's favorite.
It's so good, right?
After our Arabic dinner, we visited a shop run by Uyghurs. This shop sells Uyghur-style naans and their cuisines. I mean, look at the variety of the naans. They come in different shapes and flavors. They were baking the Uyghur naan right inside the store. The tandoor looked very hot. The shop owner suggested me to try making the naan myself.
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
Yeah, I want to try.
Though I wasn't sure if I could do this.
我们明天可以来看你做的吗？你几点开始？好，谢谢。
Yet I was super excited to learn how to make Uyghur naan. The next day, we visited the shop again early in the afternoon to learn how to bake Uyghur naans. First, you have to shape the naan.
So here we're going to see how the breads are made, and look at the shape. So this is like a stamp. He stamps on it. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Whoa, look at the shape. Bum. 这样。That you need to put a lot of power, energy in there when you're stamping it. I did it really lightly and the shape didn't really come out. So it has to be harder.
This was much harder than I thought. You need to be fast and strong, but without damaging the dough. After stamping, the naan is thrown into the tandoor stove.
Oh, they're going to let me try that.
They have kindly let me try sticking the naan inside the tandoor.
Only 一面.
But guess what? I got scared in the beginning because I was afraid that the naan might fall.
这边也可以.
这边可以。
오케이.
じゃあ次。
次.
はい。奥さん。
And of course, I made a mistake from the beginning.
아. 어, 挤一点.
Then the naan fell.
I can't do this because it's so slippery. It slips. Again?
Again?
Oh, 一起一起. Whoa!
Yay!
Yeah! 谢谢. So I noticed that you put a lot of energy in the moment that you're sticking it. 要很用力，是不是? It's so hot. It's so hot. Look at his sweat.
Yeah.
It's so hot.
Trust me, this tandoor was burning hot. And putting the hand inside the tandoor itself is a big challenge.
哇，真的厉害，谢谢。哎。
This naan may look very simple, but the technique and the effort that's put behind is remarkable. After we had the experience of making the naan ourselves, we visited the store, yes again, to have lunch at their restaurant.
Uyghur is very new to me.
你喜欢吃饭还是面？
都喜欢吃。
都喜欢吃吗？
这个一个，这个一个，这个。
We ordered 3 dishes, but first, Lamb. Lamb is a Central Asian dish of pulled noodles filled with many unique flavors. Meat with variety of vegetables are mixed with spices and cooked as a soup. And you pour the soup over the noodle.
That looks so good. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. It tastes slightly like kimchi.
Really?
But if it's pickled, I think it will be really similar to kimchi. But there's a tomato smell. Like
So it's a little bit different.
I was expecting it more to be like stronger and hot with more chili, but actually it's not. It's mild. The taste is mild.
Then we had samsa, a savory pastry that's stuffed with meat and sometimes with vegetables.
Look at that. It's lamb. It's perfect. It just
Really?
melts in your
It
mouth.
melts. Wow.
Oh my gosh, so good. 哇，这么大
Wow, it's huge.
It's huge.
Last but not least, 羊肉串, the lamb skewer. No words needed. I couldn't stop eating.
あ、美味しそうに食べる。
广州怎么样？这边怎么样？
好呀，广州。
啊，这好吗？
对，我老家呀这边。
俺老家就在这里。谢谢。啊，这个非常好吃。啊，好，谢谢。Oh, they were so sweet.
What makes Xiaobei so unique is that people from different parts of the world were jointly shaping the town.
It is hot.
From Little Africa to Muslim communities, people were adding onto the diversity of Xiaobei by sharing their own unique cultures. In Guangzhou, we've experienced a harmony in diversity, coexistence of different cultures, and we wish we can continue to respect, embrace, and at the end, enjoy being together. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next series. By the way, of course, we bought more Uyghur naan.